There's a version of your life that you can see clearly. But this is not it. This is, and maybe even this, and this, and this. You know what it looks like. You've thought about it. Maybe you've planned for it. Maybe you've been planning for it for years, and you are not living it yet. Not because you're not smart enough. Not because you don't work hard enough. Certainly not because the opportunity doesn't exist, but because nobody ever showed you the complete picture. They showed you pieces. A course that's been outdated, a few books with no plan, content with no strategy, a motivational video that didn't last longer than a day or two. They told you to go work out, like that's gonna pay your bills. Like talk is enough. Dropship, e-commerce, vibe coding with the bros, vibe coding your way to millions. But guess what? Zero real-life knowledge of business, marketing, and technology equals zero results. In other words, if you don't know what you're doing, you're just wasting your time, and therefore your life. That changes today. My name is Musa Lawrence, former badass turned engineer, author, and tech mongo. I've built for Meta, Disney, NBC Universal, launched over a dozen of my own startups. I did this while experiencing firsthand the world I'm building for. But that's not why you're here, are you? You want to get paid. You want to stop being broke. You want to ball out. But the question is, do you have it in you? Do you have what it takes to be self-determined and win like I did? I've spent decades learning what works, not in theory, in practice. 12 startups with no investors. Every mistake you're about to make, I've already made it for you. Now I'm going to compress what took me 2 decades into something you can start applying this week. On this channel, everything is free. The AI tools I'll show you are free. The frameworks, the strategies, the step-by-step builds, free. I don't believe in locking a foundation behind a paywall. You should be able to see exactly what I teach before you decide whether to go deeper. And if you want to go deeper, if you're ready to move faster, build something serious, and have someone in your corner who has already walked the road you're trying to walk, the courses, the mentorship, and the membership are at the link below. But start here, start free, start today. Because the version of your life that you can clearly see, the one you've been planning for, waiting for, preparing for, it doesn't arrive when you're ready. It arrives when you start.